Next point says the BCCI is considering criminal action against Lalit Kumar Modi. So what emerges from my reading of the document is that the BCCI has been extremely hurt that a person called Lalit Kumar Modi misused his position, misused the confidence that he had gained, entered into an agreement that was falsifying facts, denying commercial gains to the BCCI and entering into an association. And the same Lalit Kumar Modi comes on national television so many years later and says, I have nothing to do with it. What Sony did with WSG is their own business. Where did the money go is my question number one. No to my questions. One question number one. Where did the money go? Question number two.
Sony statement very clearly to Supreme Court. So clearly, Sony agreement to the Supreme Court very clearly, and to the High Court.
Question number two.
Lalit Modi had nothing to do
question
with it.
Number two.
Acknowledgement by Mr. N. Srinivasan that he was a party to the agreement and understands the agreement very clearly. Thirdly, I am the one went out there and raised the money for the BCCI and only went for the BCCI. I had nothing to do with it. But what they did is they framed me and asked Sony that they will cancel WSG contract and they will do a direct contract with Sony and give the rights to Sony.
Lalit Modi, you are saying I draw a distance.
And to date, they have not been able to do anything.
I draw a distance from the allegations that you are making, which you make in your personal capacity.
Listen,
but I find it astonishing.
You have your own words. I am not making a reality or not reality.
I find it astonishing.
I'm happy. I know you like to play the devil's advocate.
I
know you like to. I know you're not going to agree with anything I say. I know that the point is, I know before I came here, you're not going to agree with anything I say.
Mr. Modi.
But I'm happy to be here on your show.
Mr. Modi.
Irrespective.
Yeah, Mr. Modi, that's okay. But Mr. Modi.
And I will put it out
Mr. Modi,
you
always speak about these commercial instincts, right? You said, I'm a sharp man. Even your worst critics have said, you can say anything about Lalit Modi. He's got a sharp business mind. Now, there's one occasion on which Lalit Modi's sharp business mind collapses, goes into atrophy, he begins forgetting facts, he does the most unreasonable things, he is not in control of the commercial facts, and I'm sorry to say this, in which he does something which is the unthinkable. You know what you do? You actually, WSG is a $1 entity, right? WSG has been mentioned as a $1 entity with a foreign shareholding by the BCCI.
You know what WSG did? 1 second. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. Do you know what WSG is? Who they belong to? They belong to Lagardère. Lagardère is an $8 billion corporation. It's one of the largest corporations in the world.
So, but you just said you
understand that. But you just say that.
My question to you is,
it belongs to Lagardère.
My question to you is, Mr. Modi, why did you okay the agreement? Why did you okay the agreement? Why did you okay the agreement? Where did the money go?
I okayed the agreement because it was 1 minute. World Sports Group is entitled to it. I'm saying it today. I'm saying it always. They're the ones who put the money on the table. They are the original bidders. Sony was not even a bidder. Sony was a sub-licensee of World Sports Group. For heaven's sake, please understand what is happening.
So if you had...
There is licensee. Like Times, the internet is a licensee of...
It is also said you had no authority to forego... You had no authority to forego any payment in favor of the BCCI, a sum of 112.5 crores. It claims that you, quote, by not insisting on the payment of 102.5 crores from WSG Mauritius on signing of the agreement, committed an act that was detrimental to the interests of the BCCI. Why were you willingly, deliberately, knowingly sabotaging the commercial interests of the BCCI, which you had gained so much from, Mr. Modi?
I don't think you understand the television business very well. You are in the television business. Mr. Arnab Goswami, you are in the television business.
Mr. Modi.
Please be very clear. When you sell your programs to third parties through a third parties are always paid commission on when you buy a program, you're buying from a company, there are commission. What is World Sports Group's job? Like IMG or any of the other major conglomerates around the world, their job is to sell rights. Sony was not a rights buyer. Sony is a sub-buyer of rights. Hold on. You buy rights.
Is it?
You buy rights for $1. You have the right to sell the
so it is you think anyone believes tonight you think anyone believes tonight 1 second you think anyone believes tonight however you may try to twist this argument you think anyone watching tonight any one person watching tonight... I'm not trying to twist
the argument. This is the business. What the world revolves around.
Modi,
the television business revolves around
Mr. Lalit Modi.
And they go out
Mr.
there.
Lalit
You buy
Modi,
the rights from third party. You pay for it.
Mr. Lalit Modi, the person who was so obsessed
Listen,
about control.
Arnab, I'm not going to argue with a person who has a closed mind and does not understand the business of television rights.
Mr. Lalit
if you do
Modi,
not understand the business of television rights, you have no right to ask the question.
Mr. Lalit
I'm
Modi,
sorry, Arnab. You can twist it on your facts.
Mr. Modi,
I'm not ready to. I'm not ready to concede.
Mr.
On
Modi,
this issue, there is nothing to
just because you
the
and I
fact of the
don't
matter
agree with
remains,
each other, and I'm asking you.
The Supreme Court has found out, the High Court has found, I have nothing to do with any commission from anybody. Now, who are you to challenge that in the first place? That the courts have decided in the first place.
Mr. Lalit Modi, I am a journalist, and it is my responsibility to challenge facts that don't seem to add up. And you, if in your response want to be personal in your response,
but
you know one thing, Mr. Modi. No, one thing, Mr. Modi.
I can't understand.
No, one thing, Mr. Modi.
If the court has ruled in my favor, that everybody else has ruled in my favor, who are you?
Mr. Modi.
Who are you to decide that?
I am Arnab Goswami,
First
and you are on the news.
I should not challenge the court when I'm saying the courts have already ruled.
Mr. Lalit Modi, come back to your own country.
Okay.
Come back to your own country. Stop being a fugitive from the law, right? And stop issuing threats from London.
I'm not a fugitive from the law.
Stop issuing threats from London.
I'm not issuing any threats. I'm giving facts. I'm giving facts as they are. It is you who keeps calling me the fugitive from the law. You are the one who likes to crucify, judge,
you prosecute. Are the person.
I am very happy to come on the show, clarify, and I will continue to do so. I have no problem. I'm not hiding from anything. I have nothing to hide.
You are the person. Last question. You are the person.
You tell me.
You are the person who has enforcement directorate.
Yes.
Looking for him, right? You have all the regulatory authorities here waiting for you.
Not looking for me. They know exactly where I am. I am the one who's given them all the documents. They are not looking for me.
Mr. Modi, they are.
I'll be very happy once I'm over my security issues. Be there first.
Last question to you is, right, Mr. Modi?
What note? One minute. What notices are out for me? What notices are out for me first and foremost? What charges are out there against me? Apart from the allegation, there is not a single court ruled against me.
Mr. Modi, take the question. Take the question. You know, Mr. Modi, you know everything from FEMA to whatever the AD is looking at you about. We have a lot of questions to answer, okay? Now, one question to you is this.
I know very well.
Well, I hope you do.
Questions
I hope you do.
Fine.
I hope you do. But what are you doing? Just what are you doing? Just what are you doing? What are you scared of? You keep saying there's a threat to my life and that's why I can't come back to India.
I'm scared of.
You keep saying threat to my life.
Yes, and I'm clearly scared of that. And if you had 4 times being shot at, and you had people taking shots at you, you would have a problem. If somebody else supari on you, I bet you would be sitting in your chair there.
If you expect me to believe that only is that the only reason, Mr. Modi? If you have the whole mafia in the world going after you, first of all, name who's put out a supari against you.
Why don't you ask Mumbai police about it than I do?
Well, so you are safer in London?
Listen.
You're safer in London?
You have the details. Much safer in London, without doubt. Without doubt. Without doubt. Do you have any questions about after that? I'm happy to answer.
Mr. Lalit Modi, I thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight. You've taken my questions, but one last point. Being a fugitive, being a fugitive for a long time.
Go ahead.
For a long time is no answer. If you have, at one point of, there will be a time, there will be a time, Mr. Modi, there will be a time when you will tire of doing this.
For you to call me a fugitive, who the hell do you think you are?
There will be a time,
well, you have no right to call me a fugitive. You are a bloody fugitive. If you call me a fugitive, who the hell do you think you are? I'm sorry.
Mr. Modi,
call me a fugitive. You have no business. You have absolutely no business.
Mr. Modi, there you are. There you are, sitting in London.
I will not take this nonsense from you.
There you are, sitting in London. There you are, sitting in London, issuing threats, having a whole host of expensive lawyers.
You have no right to call anybody a fugitive.
Whole host of expensive lawyers.
You are the fugitive if you call me.
Whole host of expensive lawyers. The simpler thing for you to do, instead of getting provoked by the use of my word, which, by the way, Mr. Modi, you can be as aggressive with me. That word has been used in your context many times.
Why try to use that
Mr. Modi
in public every time?
You see, Mr. Modi,
is far different from that.
You see, Mr. Modi.
Yes.
You see, Mr. Modi,
Yes,
You have said a lot of things about me, right?
ahead.
And you know I'm being very sporting about it. I also know that whenever you get angry,
you have
whenever
so
you
about
get
me.
angry at a lot of straight questions put by you on Times Now, I know what you do. You go on Twitter and you say a lot of things about Times Now and about me. But
I
at the
still
end of
answer
the
them.
day,
I still answer- I
you
still
know at the
answer
end
them.
of the day there
I
is
still
only
answer
one
them.
channel in this country
I still
which got a
answer them.
copy of your report yesterday. Right, and as you know, as in that case, like when we broke the IPL scam, that was the first time when we broke the IPL scam,
you have your hands everywhere. You are a magician.
When we broke the IPL scam, I have not forgotten.
You get everything without doubt, and I have no doubts about that.
Yes, that's all right. So don't be angry with me. I remember everything. I have an elephant's memory. And I remember, I remember your tweets.
I'm not angry with you, but if you call me a fugitive, I will call me a fugitive. Of course, I'm going to get angry. Otherwise, I don't take it personally. But you want a headline, but don't make it a headline.
Mr. Modi. Let's disagree on that. Let's agree to disagree on that. You said the trial by the media, no chance to present the facts is like the
Happy
Wild
to do
West.
that.
That's what you said in 2010. What we brought out in IPL scam was proven correct. Perhaps when you come back to India, we'll have you facing off with Mr. Srinivasan. That offer still stands. Lalit Modi, I thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight.
But I'm waiting. Why don't you do that? I'm happy to do that, but please do that.
You give him a call.
Thank you.
Give him a call and he'll take up your offer, I'm sure. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You should give him a call. Not my. Okay, thank you.
He's not taking my calls. Thank you very much, Lalit Modi. Thank you.